Hey you guys, SEK the Homesteader here. All right, you guys, I know I haven't been on camera much lately. I have been extremely busy, and I said, well, everybody knows how to harvest tomatoes, cucumbers, and things of that nature. And I want to bring different stuff to you guys this year. So as you can see, I am in the trellis area, and you guys, I did not have a good harvest when it came to cucumbers. I'm gonna tell you what was prolific over here. And I said, let me keep my little my little baggies, my little seed baggies. Now, these were two different things that I grew this year, which was the jelly melon, the kiwano, and also the cucumber, the West Indian burr jerkin, which is a bitter melon. And bitter melons are very, very good for you. You can literally clean yourself eating bitter melons, and also heal yourself, especially it's good for your gut. So these are the two that was growing in the trellis area. They were prolific. And these over here is all over the place. You probably can see them back here hanging. And it's definitely over the time to get these. And I definitely want to do a taste test on these because I saw some sap coming out of them, and they just looked really sugary and red in the inside. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying these and tasting them. So they also have these super strong thorns on them. When you harvesting them, be careful. So we're gonna, that's another reason why I was procrastinating, because the thorns. Look at there, you guys. So when I tell you these suckers is all over the place, they all over the place. I ain't even gonna be so quick to grab these things because, like I said, these thorns are sharp. And a lot of them fell into the baskets over here, so I'm gonna have to stick my hand in there and get them. And this is a big one. Drop that one down in there. And also the jerkins have super sharp thorns. See what I'm saying about the sap? Y'all see the red sap coming out of it? So these things look like they may be super sweet. So y'all drop me a line. Let me know if you guys ever grew these before. And like I said, they all over the place. Like I said, be real careful harvesting these. Do not go towards these things real fast, because you be done stuck yourself and got injured. Let's see. I tell you, these suckers are sharp too. Get this out of my. Shoot, I got about 6 in this basket, so I have to go in here and pull. Chew out of there first. It's so funny how, look at it. See the sap? The juice? Just running out of there. So I may have to, ooh. I may even try to make some preserves out of this, some jelly, depending on how sweet it is. had about 10 of them in that bucket. And there's still more. See. A whole pot. Yeah, you want definitely be careful with these suckers, you guys. Whew. I'll show y'all this big old pail. So let's see. I think I got about 4 over here in this bucket. I don't know why I didn't have a good cucumber harvest this year. I have no clue, you guys. And we already know what happened to the squash patch. That got decimated by the deers. My poor squash, they didn't stand a chance this year. Let's see what I can get over here. All right. Might be. Let me step back. Now we got some in the front that's growing as well, but those are not big enough. And I still see one more back here. Let's see if I can get it. He's a little one, but that's okay. I can still get him. Let's see. All right. So, sheesh. Now I see why it took so long to get them. But again, be extremely careful, you guys. Make sure you always looking when you harvesting stuff, because you may have branches, sharp things with thorns on them that might be hanging, and you don't want to possibly injure yourself out here. Throughout the summer, I did come in here and give my vines a haircut. I did it probably about 3 times because the vines was actually closing in on the trellis area. So I had to come out and give it a haircut and trim all around it and stuff. So I definitely didn't want to be out here fighting with nature when it came to vines and also the weeds. That's why this other side, I definitely have to get to it. That needs a lot of cleaning up. That side went crazy and I let it go crazy because it was extremely too hot this summer to be trying to keep up with weeding out. So I hope everyone did take their time this summer, being that it was extremely hot. So there you have it, you guys. Look, y'all see that? That's a beautiful sight. I can't wait to take these in and rinse them off really good and taste them. But lots of juice is coming out of those vines, the vine area where I snipped them off. Look at there, you guys. Yep. So that is my harvest over here. And I still got one over here. And there are 2 more hanging on this end, and I'm gonna give them some more time. But after a while, see if I had any little birdies over there. After a while, I'm gonna be cleaning all of this out because everything is drying up, everything is dying back, and I have to come in here with pruners and clear all of this out. So that is my harvest of my jelly melons today, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed, and I got to get around the yard to harvest some more things. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys ever grew these. Let me know if you ever tasted them. Just drop me a line. All right, you guys, SEK the Homesteader here with a harvest. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.